Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica, give me here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we're with Masicka Revelation. What did I miss? Yes, what did I miss? The new segment to start, where we go back into the lyrics them and find out if we missed nothing. So we're going to listen to it again. All right? So I'm going to jump in one and see it. Masicka Revelation, what did I miss? Let's go.
Killer, crash them party, bust them fiesta, clap them 40. Madu, pack them shortly. One bomb in the fish pan, them nasty.
All right, one bomb in the fish pan, them nasty. That line there. Fish pan. A Masicka alone there, anything we do with water, with the crocodile and the swamp and them thing there. So the fish pan line, me still try to work it out. I don't know Wagwan. But him say I go crash them party. So I'm more than one people in my talk, which we know.
Killer, crash them party, bust them fiesta, clap them 40. Madu, pack them shortly. One bomb in the fish pan, them nasty. What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. How about to blood clot them?
So obviously, we all know that this is Cartel flow, but the reason behind why he used Cartel flow is still, it's up in the air. Cause we know say him not pay homage to Cartel. We know that. We also know say him could have used any other song. Why him choose that song here? Go with that song here. What do them? You know, the original song was when Killer was going after Alliance. No, when Cartel was shooting after Alliance, but him shoot everybody in Alliance. Everybody, Sharon Burke get it, and Sharon Burke are no artist, so everybody get it. So why him do this? Initially, I thought that all right then everybody I go get it. He miss out couple name.
Junkie, pussy with your killer, we no boss. You a find for your room, now your boss house. You sweep the yard and Sean walk the dogs out. Nothing wash it plate them, so the yard start out. Back.
Yo, chillin'.
Shut up for y'all about. I know you can't say you're not snort coke. Head lift up off a body for your want smoke. Stop calling sick and name that your chance smoke.
Alright, remember say I'm making it run until I hear something that I didn't mention yesterday. But if you don't want to check out my original reaction, I go pin it at the end of this. Yeah? So just check it out.
Book empty, just like your passport. Pussy, people we kill you no go sound. Full up, anybody face me a war boat. The new king you know, bumbo clock out.
So I must say yo, anybody face him a war boat. So him a tell you say yo, him a war boat. So no pussy enough to face him cause him love the war. That's why I say him love the war.
Book empty, just like your passport. Pussy, people we kill you no go sound. Full up, anybody face me a war boat. The new king.
Full up, him say, full up. Anybody face me a war boat. So him a tell you say him dash at anybody face cause him a war boat.
People we kill you no go sound. Full up, anybody face me a war boat. The new king you know, bumbo clock out. Alright, what do them me no know what do them. What do them me no know what do them. Alright, what do them me no know what do them. How about to blood clot them. One side, foot a twist a man a drop on that. Fred out.
Foot a twist and man a drop. Obviously when time him pull up on the corner, foot a twist and man a drop, that. Yeah, final. That a lot. That's how I'm tell you right.
One side, foot a twist and man a drop on that. Fred out junkie, that chat. Boss off.
Man say a rum chat, you chat. Furthermore, you're a junkie. You when you're a junkie, you take crack and coke and heroin and them things there. So him a tell you say, yo, chat, bro. You something wrong with you. Afraid that you mad.
That Fred out junkie, that chat. Boss off mouth pumpy, water strap. Anywhere in the country we shatter. Sprat, calm.
Man tell you say anywhere in the country, anywhere at all, nowhere not too far from me go for your pussy.
Man name not the bar, your bar. Help, see a man you nearly make you kill your self. And my command pussy will start melt. Now.
Me like how him get himself out of the Brata line where Tommy Lee did say him afraid of Brata boss. Me like how him get himself out of it. They must say, yo, the only reason why you mention Alkaline name because, well, not Alkaline name, but the only reason why you mention Brata boss is because you look help. Which that's a smart way to get out of it. Well answered, well done, I think.
See a man you nearly make you kill your self. And my command pussy skid will start melt. Now beat you like your father, don't no pussy clap belt.
First him say you bad back a man, pussy. Your skin will start melt. Him say him nah beat you like him nah beat you like your dad. Remember say Cartel known as him father in a music. So him a tell him say, yo, me nah beat you like your dad with no pussy clap belt. A gunshot you get boy. Them don't say Cartel usually beat the Gaza member them allegedly. So him a put Tamily in that also. Box down a go on, yeah get it. Cartel your father, him a gear it. Alright. Alright.
Come on, pussy skin will start melt. Now beat you like your father, do no pussy clap belt. A headshot, big stone, jaw down your health. Left that, test something else and find shelf. Which rich madness, and can't pay your rent.
When him say left that and then him say take something else off of the sheriff, that could mean, alright, me can interpret that as it means say him give him a headshot and then go all a cold drink or something and this, you know, calm him spirit down because him a rage. Or him bust out Tamily head, then him want somebody else to bust out. Feed them head. I don't know.
Left that, test something else and find shelf. Which rich madness, and can't pay your rent. The people them your owe, I come for every cent. Clip pack, hip pack, face and dent. Bitch that, call man phone and vent. You want which block, which ends him have strength. Head flick back and every demon want repent. What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. How about to blood clot them? Yeah, dead boy. Tamily, you no run place, so no run left it. Pussy mother, if you pray when my gun wreck it. Shoot up your head, me shoot another gun that quick. Sunday cleaner, you get the front of it.
Want to show up your head, me shoot another gun that quick. Sunday cleaner, you get the front of it. Front page. I did explain this yesterday still.
Shoot up your head, me shoot another gun that quick. Sunday cleaner, you get the front of it. Kill boy, you a run your lip. Fire.
Man say kill boy, you run your lip, you talk, you brrrr. Remember say you're in the same camp as Nuffy, so Nuffy love talk, so you talk to. That's how I must write. So not me still.
You no go say me gun no stick. Can't say you bad man have your pan leash. You don't badly run your bitch.
Man say you can't say you bad man have your pan leash. Cartel him attack. He must say Cartel a control you. Cartel a control everything what you do. Cartel say jump you have to say yo how high, run how far. Yeah. I must say man have your pan leash. Me I go tell you. So remember the line yeah? It a go make sense down in the thing now. So he must say yo, you can't say a bad man have your pan leash.
Can't say your bad man have your pan leash. You don't badly run your bitch. People pronouncing anyone we shell it. Put to win on your head, nobody no call no medic. Say you want my son dead, earth shape for that. Them shoot your daughter, go defend it. Now pick me to.
So this actually came on the spot media that they did shoot his daughter. They she never get shot or so, but she get grazed. This was on the spot media a while back. Yeah, she got grazed. So this is not information that's been put out already. All right.
The crime in a big man will perish. Switch on the berry time sound like berries. Secret phone boy make them tell it. Man I live straight, you know nothing can edit.
Not say yo man I live straight bro, nothing can edit. So no anybody will tell us them have secret for me. Tell them if you send it come. Tell them if you reveal it.
Pussy everybody have your business and spread it. Coat busting and your daddy belly ya hen it.
Right this again flow change. Him change him flow completely. Him change him tone of voice, him change him flow completely right there. So the people that may say, yo, I want for the G, I fuck you not talk. Big fuck you not talk to, I don't know to, no stop it.
Pussy everybody have your business and spread it. Coat busting and your daddy belly ya hen it.
Alright, but me explain the party again. When him say coke busting in your daddy belly and end it means that your father was a smuggler. Your father is a stole drugs from Jamaica and go overseas with it on a flight. When you're there on the flight, you can't eat nothing too greasy because normally what them do, them put it in a condom, them put it in one condom and tie it up. You see me? Yes. So when them reach overseas, them normally pass it out, like waste it out, pass waste out. You see me? So he must say, yo, your father never gets to complete the process because drugs bust in him belly and kill him. Yes. Enough man dead from that still. Enough girl too. Drugs bust in him belly and kill him. Yes. Alright?
Everybody have your
T-Tac, don't ask me, I know that. Somebody tell me.
Business and spread it. Coat busting and your daddy belly ya hen it. Your career small, your deep when I've 10 it. You been yam your name pambula, you can't pen it.
from your little boy, I always hear that thing, yeah. Name Pambula. If you're so done, if somebody give you a name Pambula, you eat it. Then am I one? How for one? Eh? Am I one? If me say me name pan something is mine. M-I-N-E, mine.
Your career small, you even have penny.
But me understand when I say your family can read and write as a
When your name Pambula, you can't pen it. You're not bad in and out, man bad every minute. Your badness careless, how comes know you bring it so it's...
Your badness careless. All cops know say you travel with illegal gun in your car. All cops know say you have illegal firearm on you, so them can track you down, search you, find it on you, and send you to prison. What go on this? You're lame. Your badness shaky.
Side note a big song, me sister you sing it. Suicide when you see me pussy and no clinic, but who the...
Suicide note. All right. In a suicide note, in a Masicka song, suicide note, he never say him go kill himself. Him say, looking at my life and you will find hope. Never sit down yet and write a suicide note. So him tell you themself is strong up. Don't think about suicide. If him can do it, Uno can do it too. So I see people say, yo, members say Masicka did say, yo, suicide and rare. No, nothing like that. Ima try uplift the youth them with a song there. A big song too. Yeah.
Side note a big song, me sister you sing it. Suicide when you see me pussy and no clinic. What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. What do them, me no know what do them. How about the black clock then? Boy, back sick and you away and drink. I can't walk me up in one place and sprint. Me go jam world already fi shoot out. You go on stage and me name you go sing. She got press on me first prayer. Pussy man you want sing happy birthday. Connect.
The man say, pussy, a man you want to sing happy birthday to, if you want to sing happy birthday to me, for my birthday, the man say, go, Masicka, it's your birthday, we are going to bury you. The man say, a man you want to sing birthday to Batty Boy, go from me say, yeah, fish, salmon, sprat, mullet, whale, shark.
She got press on me first prayer. Pussy man you want to sing happy birthday. Connect, like a stitch him up in your worst fear. Little demon a ball tears, tell your girl pray. A man a drop a one when with your burst scare. Gun lift up and pussy your...
Let him say so.
Happy birthday, connect, like a stitch him up in your worst fear. Little demon a ball tears, tell your girl pray. A man a drop a one when with your burst scare. Gun lift up and pussy your fit turn clear. Parrot that attacks, when they tell the birds straight.
Parrot that attack. I must say, yo, a parrot, you chat like a parrot. Smarty, tell the bird straight. Remember, bird, a parrot. I must tell you, say, yo, Tamily a parrot. So I must tell Tamily if it's straight. Straight and see what happened to you. Tell the bird straight now.
Gun lift up and pussy your fit turn clear. Parrot that attacks,
when they tell the bird straight.
Walk down with the pandem, survey, man take your pay.
Walk down with the pandem, survey. So he might take a survey of the place. He might check out the place. He might map out the place. Yeah. Man, take your blood clot 3 pints stone. Take your pay.
When they tell the bird straight. Walk down with the pandem, survey, man take your pay.
Remember, some Masicka look like Masicka. I try to go on big crime and Masicka look smart. You understand?
Tamily, you shouldn't even bother explain that in your song. The part for me in a Tamily song was not necessary. You shouldn't even explain that in your song. Listen, you explain that in your second song. I think they expect that in a what the second song name for Tamily? Fucking hell. Not Control. Destroyer. You said that in a Destroyer, the end of Destroyer. When it done too late already, Yanima War already. What you need to clarify that? You need to clarify about when you say Masicka look like Masicka. Me understand where you that try to explain, but explanation was not explaining. Yes, it never made no sense. So he might beat you upon it. And if I was Masicka, I would have beat you even more down in the song rather than right here. So I would have beat you down in the song for this because you fuck up this. You shouldn't even say nothing about that, bro.
Masicka look like Masicka. I try to go on big crime and Masicka look smart. You understand?
Boy, you necessarily say confused. I say you never want this me.
I say you never want this him. I press your tech, yes.
You say under vibe still.
Alright, you remember the part where him say, well, wait, remember the part I don't know.
I say you never want this me. You say under vibe still. You're under man for life, you know?
Alright. The part earlier on where he must say, yo, you're up on leash, him forward back right us again and drop a next hint about it. Where he must say, yo, you say you're under vibes. Originally, I thought he meant under vibes, under vibes. You know, the big song that for family? Yes, and that mean a vibes cartel him attack. Must say there under man. For life. Yes. So him say, remember see you say there under vibes. Before that, this is what him say.
Boy, you know say confused. I say never want this me.
Alright, so I say yo boy, hey boy, you know say confused, you know say never want this me. I program you for this me. Remember him don't tell it from down in the song say yo, you're there on a leash? Yes. They must say you never want this me, bro. So what the fuck you explain right here so now? Furthermore, remember say you're there under vibes. Yes. Man.
You say under
Clever.
vibes still.
Clever.
You're under man for life, you know?
Po! Alright, so like me say, that little last part there should have been done in the song. Done in the song more. Alright, so that's just my take on what did I miss. Masicka, let me just say this to you, bro. You should have dissed Bumbuckler Cartel more direct. You gave it to him, yes, but it wasn't enough for me. You should have because you know say from what you say in your song them a Cartel a send them out. You know say Cartel a send them out. Alright, cool. This them boss then. This them boss. You see me? Yeah, so I don't know. But let me know what you guys think about this episode of What Did I Miss? And I'll catch you guys down in the comment section, man.